Okay, let's look at mode and mid-range. The mode is the number that occurs most often. Now, if there is no data value that occurs most often, then the data set has no mode. So if nothing is repeated, then we put no mode. So let's look at these three groups. It says find the mode of the following groups of data. It does help if you put them in order, but you don't have to, okay? You can just look at them. If you're looking at these numbers right here, the only thing that's repeated is that 7. So the mode is 7. If you look at these numbers, nothing is repeated. That one is no mode. And here we have 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Notice how both of these are repeated twice. That means we have 2. Okay, there's a tie. 3 and 6, and because there's 2, they call it bimodal. Mid-range might be new for you. Mid-range is a little bit different. Make sure I didn't skip. I did skip a slide. There we go. Mid-range is a little bit different. Mid-range is the low plus the high divided by 2. Now, I've been teaching statistics a long time, and students miss this a lot. They see the word range, and you're so used to high minus low. I believe that's in our lesson, the next lesson. But mid-range, you do low plus high. So be really careful on that. You take the low plus the high, divide by 2. Mid, like middle, halfway, that's why you're dividing by 2. Newsweek examined factors that affect women's lives, including justice, health, education, economics, and politics. Using these 5 factors, the magazine graded each of the 165 countries on a scale from 0 to 100. The 12 best places to be a woman and the 12 worst places to be a woman are shown in a table. Let's take a look. So here's the best places. Fortunately, we are in that list. And here's the worst places. Okay, now we want to find the mid-range. Let's see which one they want. They want us to find the mid-range of the 12 best. Let's go back a slide. So we are going to take the lowest one we see plus the highest one we see and divide it by 2. So we do 87.2 plus 100. That gives us 187.2. Then you divide by 2. And for this one, our mid-range would be 93.6.